Hey everybody, Andrew back for another Barista Basics video. I hope that you guys are doing well. As you can tell from today's title, we are going to be making a latte at home using an espresso machine, a manual espresso machine that I have in my family house. It is a Dēlonghi, as you can see here, and it is model ECP3420. So obviously there are different, models of these machines. Some are a bit more advanced. I think this is one of the more basic ones. But yeah, also the reason why I am filming, like not having the camera point towards myself, is because I just tried filming this video and you can't turn the camera around. So you're just gonna have to deal with not seeing me. I know it's like such a big catastrophe, but anyways, yes, so that's what we're going to be doing today. It is snowing something fierce outside. It's like the 4th time it snowed, in the past few weeks. And I figured what better time to do a video like this, some nice like at-home latte making than in a winter storm. So we can go ahead and get started first. Well, we can see I have I have all the ingredients we need laid out here. We have our machine itself, which actually, well, I'll go through the ingredients first. So we have our machine itself here, obviously. Nice cup for our latte. Sorry if this filming is going to be super whack. I've never really had to film like this before, so. Then we have our espresso here, our little measurer, our, I don't even actually know the name for this guy, but this is what we put our espresso into and what we press it into. We have our milk, obviously. We have our steaming pitcher, which is awfully small. I just am realizing it's very small. So I chose a cup this size because I reckon I can't steam a whole lot of milk in something that size. And then I also have just some water here, which is actually going to be our first step. So here on the top, we can see we have a place to add, well, you can't see, but this is where we add our water. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. Beautiful. Cool, so now our machine has water, obviously, for the espresso. I'll go ahead and turn it on so that it can get everything ready for us. Meanwhile, I am going to scoop out and press my espresso. And I actually didn't think about how I'm going to film this because I need 2 hands to do that. So we'll see how this goes. Well, maybe I can do it one-handed. So here, popping open our espresso. I didn't realize we haven't opened this yet. Great, so I guess we're... Ooh, that was loud, sorry. Guess we're really committing to this video now, huh? Okay, I'm lame. I'm putting y'all down for a second. I really do apologize. But I don't have anything to like set my phone up on so I can film this like regular or like properly. But okay, sorry. So, again, didn't realize this wasn't even opened. So we have a really fresh espresso now. Now we have our scoop. We're going to scoop our espresso. Like so. Gorgeous. Ordinarily, I would try to take like a knife and, even this out. Maybe I can use... Oh man, this video is falling apart and I'm upset. And it's barely started. All right, I'm gonna use the top of this to try to flatten it. Cool. So, we have that. We have our espresso flattened. Now we have our little holder for the espresso here. And so we're going to pour our espresso in to this guy. Then obviously we need to press our espresso. So just make sure everything's kind of nice and, well, you know what, here. I like to give it a little bit of slightly agitated and shake it around so that the espresso could kind of settle relatively flat. and then we can have an easier time trying to press it. This fit, man, what kind of YouTuber am I? I'm not, that's lame. I don't even know why I called myself that, but what kind of person who films videos doesn't even know how to film it? Anyways, so we have that done. I'm almost tempted to give this video up, but we're just gonna keep going because I'm already here. So, right, we can pop our espresso in here, as we can, well, you can't really see, but it's kind of like a mechanism that you lock and twist it into. Oh, wait, okay, I have my cup here, maybe. Let's see that. Okay. All right, now you actually get to look at something. So I'm gonna twist my espresso guy right on here. Again, this machine is not a super fancy one, so it's a bit, of course I put it on this thing that moves as well. Let's move it here right quick so I can just make sure this is nice and tight. Perfect. All right, wonderful. Cool, so we have our guy in here. Can pop our latte cup under. So our espresso obviously has something to pull into. Now what I like to do for this machine first is steam my milk, because there's nothing worse than pulling your espresso shots and having them go bad, you know, whilst you're steaming your milk. So obviously the milk's not gonna be super, super hot, but you know, we're gonna make do. So, I mean, I'm not gonna make a cappuccino, I'm just gonna make a latte. So let's fill it up to about here, why not? Cool. I guess this is also something I'm going to need both hands for. So let me try to find another angle here. God, I'm surprised if anybody is still watching this video. Anyways, does that look all right? I kind of can't really see. I think it looks good enough. Okay, so you can go ahead and, ooh, actually, I apologize. I had it set for the, like, had it ready to go to pull the espresso, but I actually wanted to steam the milk first. So we're just gonna wait a little bit. How you guys doing? Sorry that this video, again, is a complete mess, but you know, when you don't have a professional setup or really anything like that, I guess you kind of gotta make do with what you got. Yeah, so I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Yeah, just been working a bunch, and I actually didn't have to go to work today on account of the snow, which was nice. But yeah, anyways, so now our machine is ready here. Our green light that y'all can't see, but it's over here. It says ready. So now we can steam our milk. This guy is so small, it's not really gonna work super well, but a little bit of foam there. Really, we're just looking to heat up the milk, obviously. So we're gonna just let it steam away. Obviously, if the vessel were bigger, I would be able to, you know, make a cappuccino perhaps, or, you know, something a little more interesting. But yeah, see, it's not getting super duper hot, which is a bit unfortunate. I'm getting a little bit of foam though. Alright, I guess that's hot enough. I just can't. Whatever, so we have that. Now, we have our milk done. Now I'm going to pull our espresso into our cup, and we have our milk. Gorgeous. Perfect. I was like, what if it doesn't pull the espresso? Okay, cool. So as you can see, she's pulling. Some great color going on there. We love to see it. And once it starts getting pretty clear, I don't know if you can really see that, but it's coming out, you know, looking a bit more like water, less like espresso now. So go ahead and cut that bad boy. Perfect. Pull our cup out. I'm gonna pop this paper towel under here so nothing spills on the machine. And so we have our beautiful espresso. we have our wonderful steamed milk, and we're just gonna pour. I don't like the fact that my shadow is blocking this. Well, it doesn't matter because the shadow's blocking it anyway. So we're just gonna pour in our milk. I guess I chose the right size cup for this as well. I don't think I'm really in the market to do a flat white. I mean, I was gonna say some latte art. I already messed it up, but is it good enough for a latte? Not really. So there's that. And here's a latte. And that is how you use a Dēlonghi manual espresso machine. Yeah, I would turn the camera around and take a sip of this bad boy, but unfortunately, like I said, I cannot really do that. So we're just going to have to make do with looking at this. Look at that beautiful gloss on the top though. Yeah, cheers. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you learned something interesting or something useful. Again, I apologize that this video was really all over the place in terms of filming. I don't really know how else to film a video like this, to be honest. I don't have like a tripod or, you know, a stand, or I'm like in the middle of my kitchen. Like this is the island, so I can't even really rest it on anything to film the video. So I hope you can forgive me for that. But yeah, that's how you use this espresso machine, this manual espresso machine. But besides that, I hope that you guys are staying safe, sane, healthy, entertained, and motivated. If you are protesting, I hope you're staying extra, extra, super duper safe. I hope, of course, that you are staying extra, extra safe and warm. And I will see you guys next week for a new video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.